Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are just going to be discussing one more new thing in SAP S4HANA sourcing and procurement. Today's topic is more about the stock checking apps as well as the few analytical apps which is newly introduced in SAP S4HANA. So basically, whenever in ECC we are using the MMB to check the any stock of the material, as well as if we want to see the list of all the inventory along with the stock. So for that we are using the list report for the inventory, that is your MB52. So for all these transaction in SAP S4HANA, SAP has introduced new stock apps as well as the new things to check the stock of your material by using the newly introduced apps there. Okay, so let's go one by one. We can just start exploring on the stock apps along with the analytical reports into that. So first, that is your stock single material. That is the replacement of your MMB in this Fiori application. So we have shortlisted the few list of the apps which is required to get the stocks in SAP S4HANA along with the analytical report. So first we can explore the stock of your single material. So just click on that. So here, this is the screen will be open for your stock of single material here. So here we can just search the material according to your plan for what we want to see the stock of that material here. Okay, so plan plan, then check any stock of the material, select it here. So this is your refrigerator stock which is available here under the GIP1 plant, storage location RM00. Right now here is a non-military stock under the or GR block stock. It's a 0 here. And here also we have the stock of your history of your stock is available here. It's a 0. Okay, suppose okay, that is your initial entry of goods. In ECC, what we are going to do, we can go enter the MIGO code, then we can go with the initial entries of your goods, then we have the movement type as your 561. But here in HANA, okay, so in the your stock checking app, SAP has given the new thing here. So from the single click only, we can able to manage the initial entry of the goods issue, your transfer posting, then your stock of your multiple materials. So many options are available. So let me show you one simple example by using the Fiori application, how to upload the initial stock. Click on the material and the storage location. Then it's activated about your manage stock. Click on the manage stock. Then it will be open up the new screen like that. Here is option to upload the stock under the unrestricted use. Click on it. System will be open automatically. There are the many options are there. Initial entry, goods issue for the scrapping as well as goods issue onto the cost center. Yeah. Okay. From the single tick only, we are able to do this part. Okay. If you can select the initial entry, for example. Okay. So just select which stock type, standard. Then how much quantity you want to upload. So our quantities, we can upload the 10 quantity there. Today's date, everything will be the automated. Okay, not required to select any movement type, not required to go for anything. Okay, just enter the dates, the quantity, and the stock change purpose like that. Then click on the post. As we click on the post, material document got posted automatically. The initial entry of that goods posted. Double click on the material document. Here you will be get to know This is your material document number theory. Okay, so here you can see the stock of that material got updated in a today's date by the user date. The document type is your WA, something like that. Then we can see here about the stock of that material which we have uploaded here. Same thing, if we want to display this document into your GUI, what we can do? We can go for the Migo. Okay, then enter your display material document. Same material document will be the replicated here. Just for your understanding, I'm going to be showing here. Okay, so what is the moment type, where the stock got updated? Can you see here? The moment type is your 561. Automatically system has taken. We are not entered manual anything. So this is the use of your Fiori app for your stock. Similarly, if you can see the related apps, there are the many applications we can see here for your material document. So this is how for the single material, okay, many options are available. If we can come back, so if you want to do the transfer posting, stock in plant, so we can just select the plant, stock in plant. We can transfer the stock of material in plant as well. Similarly, options are available for your transfer posting here. Okay, this is for your single material. By using the stock of your single material, we can perform like this here. Okay, transfer posting, your goods issue, about checking of the stock of that material under your all storage location, whatever the unnecessary schedules, qualities, and everything. Okay, and one more thing here. Okay, whenever in a ECC to get the stock of your all the material at the same time, so we are using the T code MB52 for material document. This is here, correct? So these are the few reports we are using. So for same like that, to check the stock of your materials, so we have the app called as a stock multiple materials in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, so here this is the basics. We will be open to get the stock of your all the materials. Just need to be enter the plant GIP1, then click on the go. As we click on the go, what happens? We are able to see here all the list of the materials along with the storage location and the stocks are there. In that way, we can get to know the stock of material by using the Fiori application, that is your single stock material and a multiple stock material. So this is your two stock checking app, as well as again SAP has given the new advancements are there to check the non-moving materials and the date stock of your material. So these are the two apps which is using for your non-moving materials as well as the date stock analysis. Suppose if any new material is not there, material is there which is not going to be used, which is under your day stock, we can use these apps for this analysis. So this is your analytical apps which is newly introduced into the SAP. Again, one more app SAP has launched, that is your to analysis of your goods movement. So whatever the material we are purchasing, we need to be analyzed how much purchasing we have done, how much whatever the goods issue, whatever the consumption of that material is be happen. Okay, so one more app is there, that is your goods movement analysis. So click on that app. Once we click on that, so screen will be open up for the analysis of your goods. So we can just filter the report. Okay, whatever we want, select it. According to that, we can filter the report here. Okay, so we can just enter our plant for what we are analyzing. Click on the go. As we click on the go, then we can see here under the data analysis, whatever the receipt amount we have done for under that GIP1 plant. Okay, from this date to this date, this much we have done the receipt amount. Again, issue amount, this much material we have issued. Then minimize this. We can go for the graphical display. If we can go with the graphical display, what happened here? We can see here For this GIP1 plant, whatever the receipt count, issue count is here. This is, you can see, this is your receipt amount. This is your, whatever the goods issue count, this is your receipt count. In that similar way, whatever the issue amount for that material, this is your currency, it will be showing to pop up for that. Then next will be receipt quantity, and this is your issue quantity. In that way, this is comes under your analytic apps into the SAP S4HANA sourcing and procurement. So this is the way how we can, and if you want to go with a single material, just enter the material, then we can easily go with the material number as well. So let me show you for the material as well. We can pick up the material number for this refrigerator, copy that, and we can just enter the material. For a single material also, we can able to filter it. So whatever the purchase, if you can see here, how many total receipt count, 7 times we are done the goods receipt. Whatever the receipt amount will be pop up here. Any goods issue, no. Any issue amount, nothing. And if you can see here, here is your receipt quantity. Each total quantity, how much we are done, that is your 217 quantity we have done the GR. So this is how we can analyze our reports, whatever the goods and everything, by using the Analyticals app, which is introduced by the SAP. So majorly these apps will be used by your business, not by the consultant. Okay, one more thing, the last app that we can introduce here, that is your analyze stock in a date range. So which date to which date, whatever the analysis of your stock. So this is better to purchasing here. So this is the screen which we open to analyze the stock of the material in between the date range. So here we can just search from which date to which date we want to analyze. So we have entered the 1st of the January. We can enter. So we need to enter the currency, analysis, date range, and the plant. Then we can just go with the all the materials here. So whatever the we have purchased, this is your analysis stock into your date range. This is your stock in period and start period, whatever the inventory from that period to that period. Okay, this is how 39.53 million INR. So this is how we can just analyze the things here by using the this stock analysis app, which is the also called as a analytical apps into the SAP. So if we want to see here, okay, one more app, one more material, we can just go and just check the optic diffuser. Go single material, just enter the single material. Here you can see this is the total analysis of that material. Okay, scroll down, it can show you material group, material type, stock quantity in start period, stock quantity in period, stock quantity difference. This is your totally analysis, okay, which is very important here. The stock value difference, everything will be the showing in a very detailed way. This will be the definitely visible. So we can export this report as well here, okay, into the your whatever you want in that format. We can export that report into the Excel as well. So this is more about the newly introduced stock apps as well as the analytical apps for the movement of your materials or movement of your goods into the organization. So this is, if you want to learn new more interesting things into the SAP S4HANA sourcing and procurement, please visit our website www.taxskills.com. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.